Assalamu alaikum. One Nation UK provided Syrian hospitals with 18 ventilators like this. This is our intensive care unit in this hospital, and up until now we've got about 8 rooms here, and we was using 1 ventilator only in this hospital. Alhamdulillah, One Nation UK done a campaign for Syria ICU hospital appeal, and they donated 18 ventilators like this. These are mashallah very advanced, amazing ventilators that we desperately needed in Syria. So they've given this hospital 2, and I know that they're distributing 2 to every hospital. So we want to thank all the brothers and sisters that took part in this campaign. We are very grateful to you. Jazakallah khair. You know, you should continue to support One Nation's medical appeal by donating at www.hospitalsinsyria.com. We are in desperate need. They've launched a new campaign for a neurotrauma center. I highly recommend everyone to help out with this particular campaign. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.